And welcome back to my channel, Chef Edward Cooking, and I'm here to show you how to make oven roasted carrots. So I have baby carrots right here. I have parsley, I have salt and pepper, I have a tablespoon of honey, and also I have 2 ounces of butter. So first I'm going to take our carrots and I'm going to add it to our boiling water, and we're going to cook it off until it's nice and tender. Okay, our water came to a boil. And now we're going to add our carrots and we're going to cook them until they're nice and tender. Okay, while our carrots are cooking, I'm going to make a butter honey sauce. So I'm going to add our butter. I'm going to let that melt. Now I'm going to add our honey. So I'm trying to infuse the honey into the butter. So later when we roast our carrots, it's going to have a nice little sweetness to it, and it's going to be really good. Okay, once it gets to this point, we're going to take it off the heat. Now that's going to be ready for our carrots. Okay, we have our carrots. I just drained them. I'm going to add the salt and pepper to it. We're going to add our chopped up parsley. Also, we're going to add our honey infused butter. And give it a mix. Okay, now we're going to add it to our pan. And we're going to roast it in our oven at 350 for 10 minutes. And now we're going to check on our roasted carrots. It's been 10 minutes. Oh yeah, they are ready. Okay, we have our roasted carrots here. Just add them to a plate like so. And now it's time to taste our carrots. That's really good. And if you'd like to see more recipes like these, please like and subscribe. Now it's your turn. Thank you for watching. Thank you.